So every day I use this strategy to actually map my charts out to know where price is going to go next. It's a strategy using candlesticks on the chart, and it's something that every trader needs to have. So if you're struggling with reading market flow on your charts, this strategy is a must watch for you. So let's head over to those charts and see exactly what this strategy entails and how potentially this could help you in your trading. So I'm sure this is something that you've never seen before, and I want to go through and demonstrate to you that using candlesticks on the chart can actually give you a full strategy in itself without the use of supply and demand, trend lines, line chart, whatever else it is that you use in your trading. This will teach you how to read raw price on a chart. Now I'm on the hourly US dollar 4-hour time frame, and I want to go through and demonstrate to you exactly how I do my analysis using just candlesticks every single day to know where I'm expecting price to go next. Now there is nothing out there that's going to give you 100% win rate, but this will give me at least 89% directional bias every time. So let's look at this area of price. We'll work our way through. I'm going to mark out some candlesticks, or these areas on the candlesticks I like to look at. First, let's look at from this low here, this swing low. And yes, I know it's in previous price, but we'll go to this area at current price. It is in hindsight from here, but from here you'll see its actual raw price we'll go through. So from this area, I'm going to start by marking off some open prices that interest me on these candlesticks. So all these levels I'm marking off is important to me when I'm looking for my levels. Okay, all these levels that you see me marking off is something that you can learn easily and master even more easily, which is important to every trader. So let's look at here, this swing low, and we're looking to see if we get another short or potentially a long position. At what point can I say that we'll be looking to long? Well, on the close of this candle. Close of this candle represents to me we close through this level, that we now have a bullish bias. I'm expecting the market to then, once we close through this level, to go for this level, which it does, and close through that level. I expect the market to head to this next level here, which it does. Now we have pullbacks here, which gives me an entry from this low to this level. On a lower time frame, this is where we look for those entries. Now, when the market comes down here, we go to this level. Eventually, we break through with this candlestick. Okay, that represents to me then that the market's still bullish. And at this point, just remove all these levels. At this point, when I see this candlestick, hey traders, we'll get back to the video in just a moment. But I want to give you a gift for hanging out with me today. I want to give you my free trading strategy class and cheat sheet. This trading strategy class and cheat sheet will go through everything you need to know about applying a supply and demand strategy that I personally use to generate profits. But it's more than just a strategy. You're going to have some actionable steps to accelerate your growth with learning how shifting your focus can generate more profits and the steps to building a profitable strategy for yourself. Look, you don't have to spend a lot of time on this. It's about doing the right things in the right order. And it's free as my gift to you. So just go to norfolkfxtrader.system.io free strategy class sign up, or hit the link above now to get your free trading strategy class and cheat sheet. Now back to the video. This leaves me a level here in the market. And then I can start mapping out any levels to the downside that interest me. That's my next level. So from this area, we can see that this is my next area expecting price to go to. But once I see this candlestick here closing through this level, then I have a bearish bias again, but I'm expecting the market to go to here. This is where the market does pull back. Now, I did say I wouldn't go through anything else here, but this is what we call a manipulation, taking that previous swing higher, and the market goes straight for that level. That is accuracy in the market, just using candlestick, raw price on the chart, nothing else. You don't need to learn to use anything else except for these candlesticks on the chart. That gives you all the information you need. You don't need to worry about a break of structure, supply and demand zone, line charts, you know, anything, or trend lines, anything like that. You can do all of this just reading the candlesticks on the chart. Like I said, there is a program and community where I teach you step by step how to do this. The market here does break up with this big bullish candle. Now that represents a reversal for me back up once we close through this level here and then this level here. So once we close through this big push up, I have a bullish bias again. Simple as that. Yeah, we had a trade, we could have sold here down to this level. Then we wait for a pullback, we close through. In fact, we close through this small bullish candle up. We have a pullback, that's our next target level. It's achieved. Now, once we've closed through this level, this becomes our next target. So I'm then looking for any buys up to here. Look what happens, we have a pullback. Now, I must admit, we have a pullback to this area here in the chart. We have a close through, but straight away we have a close back up. That puts me back on a bullish bias at this point once again. And then we have a pullback with a higher low, and then we continue up to this level. Now, this isn't magic. It's just something that over the years I've learned to read the markets like this. And again, as the market goes up from here, we have new areas that I'd like to mark where I don't want to see a reversal at. We break through this level, we have another pullback, higher low, we continue up to the next level I've marked. Now we create a new level here, a new level here, all the way up. I can mark a level until here. So we can remove this one. So if I see it close through this level, then I'm bearish again. Now you can see currently we close through on this candle. I expect the market to go here. We go to that level on the same push down. Then I expect the market to go to this level, which we do. We close through. I expect the market to go to this level, which we do on that push down there. We have a pullback, another manipulation area here. Then I'm expecting the market to go all the way to here. So any entries up here, and again, just like I showed you down here, what do we see here? We have another manipulation phase. That is a great area to capture an entry where you can target all the way down to this level. Now, as the market does come down here, I can now identify I have a new level I don't want to see the market reverse at. And in fact, I could even see that this candle closes right now as it is of another new level. Potentially, any reversals up from those areas, I could have a bullish bias again. So this strategy is continuously giving me my bias in the market. Then using everything else that I've learned over the years, especially with the use of supply and demand, is how I look for my trade entries, these manipulations and everything else. But once you understand the use of market flow, that is how you can really start to increase your probability of finding a great trade setup. Now, like I said, it's taken me a lot of years to actually figure out this type of trading. If you want to find out more on how I use a two-time approach with supply and demand, then check out that free trading strategy class right now.